Download the Nucleus Smart App on Google Play to your compatible Android smartphone. Tap the Nucleus Smart icon to start the app. If you don't already have an account, you can set one up now in the app. Log in using your Cochlear account. See the pairing guide for Android or the how-to video on Cochlear.com. Once you have paired your sound processor, follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up the app. To change volume, tap Volume to open its control panel. Tap plus or minus to change volume. To change programs, tap Program to open its control panel. Tap the icon for the program you want to use. Turn forward focus on when you need support in noisy situations. Be sure to turn it off once you move to somewhere quieter. To stream audio from wireless devices, tap Audio Sources to open its control panel. Tap the icon for the audio source you want to use. You can also change the volume of wireless devices. And check the battery status of your sound processor. Tap the icons to open the status screen. Find My Processor can locate a misplaced sound processor. Open the menu and press Find My Processor. Keep your sound processor running smoothly with firmware updates. When a new firmware update is available, keep your sound processor on and open the menu in the app. Tap Settings. Tap Firmware Update. Follow the prompts to complete the firmware update. You'll still be able to hear with your sound processor while the update is running. For the firmware update to take effect, you must restart your sound processor by turning them off and then on again. For more information, visit our website.